What's up, everyone? Got these rear turn signals from LASFIT for the 2017 Civic Type R. Those are the original ones, OEM ones. I'm gonna install these right now. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. Remove those two bolts. Alright, once you have those two Phillips screwdrivers off, you're gonna see it's trying to want to come out. There's two clips right about there. You're gonna have to pull on it, just like that. And those are two clips. Don't worry about that. It just goes back in. I didn't break anything. You're gonna have different ones right here. It's the one in the middle. That's your rear turn signal bulb. You're gonna want to twist and then pull it out. This is the OEM from Honda. Nothing too crazy. This is the LASFIT LED one. Much higher quality. Just look at that. This is beautiful. Alright, let's install these right now. As you can see, it's a lot brighter than the OEM one.